Today, the second witness testifying in the Uchence Wilson gang trial denied he cut a deal with investigators to give evidence against the gang so he wouldn't be charged for his role as a gang member. The witness was cross-examined by 3 defense attorneys today and maintained that at no time he lied to the court. Here's TVJ's Kirk Wright with that story.
The witness told the court today he was locked up after a stolen car and other items were found at his house. He said he was granted bail in 2017, but also told the court that to date he has not been charged for his role in the Uchence Wilson gang. He further stated that he's still not sure the police will charge him at a later date. C.J. Mitchell, the attorney representing Fitzroy Scott, a top-tier leader in the Uchence Wilson gang, suggested to the witness that he struck a deal with investigators to give evidence against the gang and his client to, in his words, save his skin. The witness replied he did not agree with Mr. Mitchell's suggestion. The witness maintained that even after he became bothered by the gang's operation, he still feared going to the police because he knew the gang worked with them. In addition, he says he felt he was set up after the stolen car and other stolen items were found at his house. 3 attorneys quizzed the witness about robberies. He says the gang went on in St. Anne, St. Catherine and St. Mary. After several minutes of questioning, the witness agreed with Vanessa Taylor, the attorney representing Stevenson Bennett, also called Slim, that although he, the witness, said he was at some of the robberies with the gang, he in fact was not there. But the main witness who established that he was the main driver for the gang says transporting the gang members to and from robbery scenes is his interpretation of his presence at the robberies. He also said he knew the robberies happened because his cronies at the time came back and told him stories and that he at times would get some of the loot. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.